Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use AI on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, the AI, that means when we talk about AI on Microsoft, we mean Copilot. So from here, you will have like many usage for Copilot. It is already included into your dashboard or into your Microsoft account. So from here, I'm using Microsoft products in the cloud. And basically, even in the home, we will find that you can start using Copilot. So from here, we will have like a search bar, or from here, you can like do whatever you'd like. You can even start like have searches on Bing, or you can have like searching in templates. And basically, you will start doing many things. Otherwise, you can simply go to the Copilot itself and you can start chatting with it. And it will be the similar for the Copilot product on its own. We can go to Copilot and basically we can get to it and it will be something similar to that. So basically you can start like messaging the copilot, you can start adding file to it, upload file to it, and the only difference, it will be fine-tuned, or it will be only for your workspace or on your account here that will be included within your applications. So as you can see, it will be added to your applications or to your organization. And basically, you can start like chat with them, and then it will start like generating a message. Uh, type me, uh, and basically it will start generating some messages. And as you can see, you can then like edit the response, take it, and do whatever you like. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.